All right, this is gonna be the last toy truck for now for this series. All right, it's a construction truck. Ooh, construction, more like destruction. All right, let's just open this. Come on, any minute now. Stupid gloves. There we go. All right, let's move all of this box stuff out of the way. All right, there we go. All right. Looks perfect and brand new. Now let's give this toy some try. See how it works. Does this back part move? Oh, it does. Here, wait. I think I know a perfect place for this truck. Move those things out of the way. Room, room, room. Perfect place, yeah. Let's pick up some dirt. Or something. Oh, there we go. Let's put it in all there. Same with this truck too. It's a dump truck. There, now both of you guys have dirt. Let's see how durable you really are. Oh man, how cheap is this thing? It just breaks already. Full of dirt. Now you can't even collect any dirt anymore. You're just a normal truck. Yeah, I'm gonna bury you alive now that you're dead. Oh man, I think you're stuck now. Oh, great. Will this golf club help? It's just stuck in the mud. Yeah, forget it. We'll just leave it here. This truck's already dead anyways. Should bury it alive. Mud off real quick, then we're good to go. All right. Oh man, looks like a meteorite crashed into the scene. Oh, only this thing survived. Whatever that's called. Yeah, it's just full of mud. Yeah, only this piece survived. Yeah. All right, let's smash this part. Man, I was expecting the soil to be all dirt, not mud. Yeah. Stupid dirt all over the golf club. All right, Forget it. You're just gonna stick to the golf club and not even do anything. Man, how cheap.